How to use Venmo at gas station. There are several ways to pay with Venmo in gas station, like paying by scanning the gas station's QR code, paying by having the gas station scan your QR code, or paying with your Venmo debit or credit card. Paying by scanning the gas station's QR code. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Access your QR code. Look for the QR code icon in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen in the Venmo app. Click on it. Choose Show to Pay. Select the Show to Pay option. This is the feature you'll use when making payments at businesses, including gas stations. Business scans. Your QR code. When you're at the gas station, ask the cashier if they accept Venmo. If they do, they'll scan your Venmo QR code, or they may have their QR code for you to scan. Instant payment. After the gas station scans the QR code, the transaction will occur instantly. You'll see the funds leaving your Venmo account immediately. Paying by having the gas station scan. Your QR code. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Access your QR code. Click on the QR code icon in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen. Select Scan Code. Choose the Scan Code option. Use this when the gas station has its QR code for you to scan. Gas station scans. Your QR code. Present your QR code to the gas station cashier for scanning. This connects your account with the store's system. Instant transaction. Once the gas station scans your code, the transaction will be completed immediately. Paying with your Venmo debit or credit card. Venmo offers a debit card and a credit card that can be used for payments, including at gas stations. Use your Venmo card. You can use your Venmo debit or credit card at the gas pump or with the cashier inside the station. Immediate deduction. Regardless of whether you pay at the pump or inside, the funds will be deducted from your Venmo account immediately. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.